Hello guys, in this video we will see how to install Tor Browser on Oracle Linux 10.0. Okay, the default browser that comes with Oracle Linux is Firefox. Open it, then go to Tor project.org and download. It is type of Tor project.org. Then click on download Tor Browser or click on this download Tor Browser. Both are same. Click on any one of them. Then click on download for Linux. Wait a moment, download will be started. See, download started and its size is about 118 megabytes. Wait until download completes. See, download is completed. Now open terminal. Go to download, cd downloads, ls. Now extract this zip file. Extraction completed, ls. Now go to this Tor Browser folder, ls. Go to Tor Browser. Now we have to run this one, that is start-tor-browser.desktop. Don't give sudo or run with root account. Just give /start, give the tab to autofill entire file name, hit enter. Hit a moment, it is opening. See, you got the Tor Browser. And also see here, if you want to connect, just click on connect. Every time you have to click on this connect when it is open. But if you want to always connect automatically, just you have to turn on. Click on connect. See, now it is connecting or establishing a connection. See, you got the Tor Browser, and see here the default search engine for Tor Browser is DuckDuckGo. Okay, so in this video we have seen how to install Tor Browser on Oracle Linux 10.0, but the process is same on all Oracle Linux versions. Okay, for more tutorials please subscribe my channel. Thank you.